What's her name?
My name is Tintu.
Helen. He's another dog, Mommy. He's another dog.
It's another dog?
Yes.
Oh my.
2 dogs have come.
2 dogs have come. Okay.
Let's put on the utensils.
Utensils?
Yes.
They are at home.
Put on the important bed utensils.
Important utensils?
Yes.
They are at home.
Can we keep this bucket at home? Mommy,
Hanji.
look at this.
Hanji.
Is it the place for the oven?
For the stove.
Is it for the oven?
Yeah, oven.
Is it for the stove, Mommy?
Hanji.
Is it for the oven?
Yeah, it's for the oven.
Is that for the oven?
Hanji, yeah.
That's for the oven.
Hanji.
Is it for the oven?
This is for the oven, okay.
Is it for the oven? See? Is it for the oven?
What's your name?
This one.
Little one.
Look. It's a magic. Look.
It's?
Look. It's a hanging mirror.
It's a hanging.
Why is it hanging? Why is it hanging?
Hi, Daud.
Hi, Mommy.
Is it your birthday?
Yes.
And what are you going to do?
We're going to do the cut of cake.
We're going to cut the cake.
The blow the candles.
You are going.
Have a balloon. Oh.
Oh.
Camera, you only take one tripod hold that camera.
My tripod is not working.
Is it working?
Yes, working.
Oh, Mommy,
You're looking so
what
cute.
is this thing?
What is this thing? You tell me.
Mommy, what is this, Mama? What? What's written on this? Let me check what's written on the mobile. 5 sides.
Pentagon. How many sides?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And which one has 5 sides? Circle, square, or pentagon?
Pentagon.
Oh, my goodness.
The pentagon is pointy one.
Pointy one? And what is that? Pointy one.
The pointy one. Let's see
Which one is biggest one?
the Jupiter. The Jupiter. Big and round. Still showing a tiny nail. We'll have to build. Now we'll need some help.
Which one is left?
All of it.
All of there.
The big or the small one will need the tiny cup and the big cup. Sleep. Mommy, let the penguin sleep. Mommy, wrap around. Wrap around it tightly. Wrap around it tightly. It's smaller. Small and smaller. It's smaller and smaller. It's smaller and smaller. It's smaller and smaller. And for me, it's the for me. Look, Mama. They're for me. Look, Mama. Check. Look, it's for me. Oh, they're for me. Look, Mama. See, look. box. Mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box. Mystery box. What's inside the mystery box? Mystery box. Mystery box. What's inside the mystery box?
Okay. Is it mystery box?
Yes. Let's open it. Thank you. How to drive it? My motorcycle was broken. Mommy, my motorcycle is broken.
It's okay. They're fixing it.
How to drive this? Let's open it. Tell me, guys. Wow, look. This one is from me. Today, I'm building a new house for the penguin.
Oh, the penguin. Good job. So cute. So cute.
This is my favorite gummies.
Okay. Open it.
Honey,
The Welsh penguin is there.
it's in love. Not here. It might be on one piece. It might be penguin on your lap.
Okay.
Help me to open it.
Okay.
Hi everyone!
Hi, Daud.
Hi mommy.
Is it your birthday?
Yes,
And what are you going to do?
we're going to do the cut up cake.
You are going to cut cake.
The blue candles.
You are going.
A big balloon. Oh.
Oh.
Camera, you only did one tripod hold that camera.
My tripod is not